Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Jen Francis here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Bybit account and also verify it. I'm going to be showing you guys this step-by-step guide on how you can easily do that, and I'm going to be showing you live here the verification and everything that you need to do to get your Bybit account ready. So the first thing you need to go is to go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, it's loading. So once you're on Play Store, you search for Bybit. Search for Bybit. Bybit. So you can see the app already is installed on my phone, so it's showing me updates. If I want, I can update it, but yours is going to be showing you install. Then install it on your phone. Once installed, click on the app. Once you click on the app, it's going to load. It's loading. So now it's showing you sign up or log in to receive a welcome gift. So as a new user, we are going to be signing up on the platform. If you have an account with them, you can log in, but I'm showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can easily create. So you're going to click on this button right here, sign up / login. So I'm just going to click on it now. See, sign up to get $5,000, I think. So you are going to be required to use either your email address or your mobile number. So for this, I'm going to be using my email address. Okay. Okay, then you choose a password. So we have choose our password. Then you click on this place. You see here, referral code. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this option to enter your referral code. I'm going to be leaving my referral code in the description box, or you can just copy it. It's displaying on my screen right now. You are going to be getting a bonus for using my referral code, and also I'll be getting a bonus for you using my referral code, so it's a 50-50. So we're just going to click on sign up now. Sign up, intelligent verification. So it's verifying whether we are human or not. So it's verifying. Loading. Says slide to complete the puzzle. These are just verification to make sure we are human, as we are not robots. Okay, so we got it, and as you can see, it says success. Now it's redirecting us. So they have sent me a code on my email address. So what I'm going to do is to just go and copy the code and paste it here. So I'm going to check my email now. My email. So I've opened my email now. Let's hold on, it's loading. So I'm going to make sure that this is the particular email I used. So as you can see, the verification code that they sent to me, Bybit, I'm just going to copy the code and paste it there. Please, sorry for the background noise. So it has opened. My network is a little poor, that's why the whole thing is slow. Security code for your Bybit account. Remember, I'm going to be guiding you guys till the verification. So I'm just going to copy this code now, 061168. So I'm just going to copy this code. Copy. I'm going to copy this code. And once we copy the code, we paste it there. Copy. Then we go back to the app. This is the app. Okay, then we paste the code here. We paste the code here. Paste. Sorry for the background noise, fams. I think it's 0611. Not even remember the code again. No. Okay, hold on. I've forgotten the code though. Let's check again. Let's not make mistake. 061168 061168. So that's the code and it's verifying it. Okay, yeah, so we have just created our account and now we are going to verify our account. Like I said, I'm going to be guiding you people till the verification is complete. So we are just going to click here on this arrow, verify now, so we can verify our account and be able to use our Bybit account. So I'm just going to click on verify. Complete verification, deposit and win 5,020 welcome gift, $5,000 welcome gift. So we're just going to click on verify. As you can see, KYC verification. We are going to verify our account now, step by step. And mind you, I'm in Nigeria, so you don't need to bother if you are in any African country. As you can see, it automatically chose Nigeria for me because I'm in Nigeria. So as you can see, the verification documents, the option that you have to verify your account: 1 is BVN, 2 ID card, 3 driver's license, 4 passport, 5 residence permit. So in the country that I am, BVN is recommended, so it has already chose BVN for me. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So it's loading now. Okay, it's loading. So it says I reside or live in all countries except US. Then the other one, United States of America. I think I'll go with the first option because I don't live in US. So we click on continue. Verify your identity. It will only take 2 minutes. So to verify our identity, we first click on profile details to verify and complete our personal information. So it's going to take our profile details, and I'll also take a selfie of us. So just click on continue. So it's loading. So here it's going, says verify and complete your personal information. It has already chosen Nigeria for me. So here on this column now, we are going to enter our BVN, and here we are going to enter our name, not last name, your name. So I'm going to enter my BVN now, because I'm going to be guiding you people step by step till our account is verified. So I'm entering my BVN now. So next thing is my name. Chinemelum Jen Francis. Then we click on continue. Please wait, it's loading. I think next thing is going to be selfie. Let it load. Let's see. So now I'm just going to take a selfie of my face. It says position your face to fit in the frame. So it's scanning my face now. Then my face scan is complete. So as you can see, verification status, the system is reviewing, is okay, complete. Let's see. As you can see, my account is now verified. You see how easy it was. It didn't even take this. Just see here, verified identity verification. As you can see, showing this green tick that my account has been successfully verified. So this is how you can easily create and verify your Bybit account without stress, anywhere you are in Nigeria, African country, anywhere you are. So if you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like this video, show some support please. See you guys on my next video. Peace.